Next up, let's talk about the pattern tool. This is very useful for things like connectors, and you want connectors in multiple spots, things like Legos. This is really, really helpful for something like that. So let's just go ahead and make a simple like Lego sheet that we might be able to use. So I'll just start by going ahead and making a rectangle. Let's just go ahead and make it 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. We will extrude that up just a little bit. So 0.2 inches is fine. Here we go. This is our little sheet that we're going to start with. And we need to make the little Lego things. So we will want to make a sketch on top of this surface here. And let's go ahead and make a small circle. Let's go 0.3 inches in diameter. And then we want to specify these dimensions here. So we want it 0.25 inches from the top and 0.25 inches from the side of this object here. Make sure we're showing our sketches and that this is defined. And then we will extrude this a little bit. Maybe also 0.2. Seems reasonable. So there we go. We can see this now. We've got our sheet beginning. And now what we can do is we can go into create and then pattern. And we're going to want to create a rectangular pattern of that feature. You can also create circular patterns or patterns on a path. But let's just go ahead and create a rectangular pattern. First, we will select over here. You can see that it says, we've got the type rectangular pattern, and it's saying object's body. So if we select that entire body, and then we want to pattern it on an axis here, when we do that, it's going to take the whole thing, and that's not what we want. So we just want a rectangular pattern here of a feature, because this is considered to be a feature. Fusion operates with bodies, faces, and features for the most part. And this is a feature. And now we can see that when we change the object type to features, we can just select this thing. And then we would like to pattern it across the horizontal axis. So here is where you can change like the quantity of it. Maybe you want 6 of them. And the distance is, I guess you'd want to figure this out for yourself, how much this would be. 3 inches probably, the distance to be 3 inches here, because this was what, 3.5? So there we go. Obviously you'd be better at doing math. So we've got our rectangular pattern, and all you would have to do here is continue to add them. So let's go ahead and grab our feature. This time we would like this axis. Maybe we would like 4 of these at 2 inches. And we can just go ahead and drag it across into different columns here. We would like 6 of these. And we're going to stretch it out over here. And there we go. There is our Lego sheet with a pattern of these circular features. This can be very useful for things like that.